Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by opening Google Earth Pro or the web app. Choose whichever gives the export controls you need. Sign in so your tours and places sync. Once done, pick the recording resolution and 16:9 aspect ratio to match your delivery platform. Make sure imagery is high resolution for the area you'll record, and toggle borders or labels off if you want a clean view. Now place your camera at the first location and set any pins, because you're ready to begin the first recording pass. Begin recording using tour mode in Google Earth Pro, or use screen capture on the web app and guide the camera along your path. Adjust tilt, heading, and flight speed to avoid abrupt motions. Slower is smoother and easier to follow. Preview the tour twice to refine timing, because precise timing keeps narration synced. You can either record voice live with a headset or mark timestamps for later voiceover. Once done, stop the recording, save the tour, and export the video file or captured footage for editing. Export the finished tour from Google Earth Pro as an MP4, selecting your bitrate and resolution. If you use screen capture, save the raw file. Then import footage into your editor, trim unwanted sections, add voiceover, music, and captions. Smooth transitions help orientation. Render with the target codec and upload settings. If playback stutters or the export fails, close other apps, reduce resolution, or record smaller segments and stitch them together. This troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.